Feeling lost in 2025? What if three ancient philosophers could change your life in just 10 minutes? Stick around, I'm sharing their best advice to help you find purpose, embrace change, and live authentically. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to PhilosoFree USA, where we make philosophy practical for your everyday life. I'm your name, and today we're diving into three pieces of life-changing advice from some of history's greatest thinkers. In a world of constant change, think AI, global shifts, and personal challenges, these timeless ideas will help you find clarity and meaning in 2025. Before we start, hit that like button if you're ready to transform your life, and let's get into it. First up, let's talk about finding your purpose with Stoicism. Picture this. It's 2025, and you're overwhelmed by work, social media, and endless notifications. I've been there. Last year, I felt like I was just going through the motions, not really living. Then I turned to the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius, who said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." What does this mean for us? It's about focusing on what you can control. For me, that meant setting a morning routine to reflect on my goals, 15 minutes of journaling about what truly matters. Try this. Ask yourself, what's one thing I can do today to align with my purpose? Write it down and take action. Stoicism teaches us that purpose isn't found in external success, it's in mastering your inner world. Let me know in the comments if you're trying this. Next, let's embrace change with Friedrich Nietzsche. Change is scary, I get it. When I moved to a new city last year, I felt completely out of my depth. But Nietzsche's idea of amor fati, loving your fate, changed everything. He said, "That which does not kill us makes us stronger." Instead of resisting change, Nietzsche urges us to embrace it as a chance to grow. For example, when I started this channel, I was terrified of failure. But I decided to love the process, the late nights, the editing struggles, because it was shaping me. In 2025, think of a change you're facing. Maybe it's a new job or a relationship shift. Ask yourself, how can I love this moment, even the hard parts? Embracing change builds resilience, and that's a superpower. What change are you facing right now? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. Finally, let's live authentically with Jean-Paul Sartre. Sartre believed we're radically free to create our own meaning. He said, "Man is condemned to be free." That hit me hard. A few months ago, I realized I was living for others' expectations, posting what I thought people wanted, not what I truly believed. Sartre's words pushed me to be real. For you, this might mean saying no to things that don't align with your values or pursuing a passion you've been hiding. In 2025, let's stop pretending. Be unapologetically you. I started sharing my true thoughts on this channel, and it's been liberating. What's one way you can be more authentic this year? Share it below. I'm reading every comment. So how do we apply this wisdom in 2025? Start small. Journal for purpose. Embrace one change and take one authentic step. These three ideas, purpose from Stoicism, resilience from Nietzsche, and authenticity from Sartre, can transform your life. I've seen it in my own journey, and I know you can too. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. Focus on what you can control, love your fate, and be true to yourself. Which of these tips resonated most with you? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. If you found this advice helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more philosophy insights every week. Want to dive deeper? Check out our playlist on practical philosophy right here, point to end screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep growing together.